Section 4. Personalized medicine, tailoring treatments with AI. Imagine treatments tailored to your unique genetic makeup and lifestyle. AI is making personalized medicine a reality by analyzing vast amounts of data. This is a radical departure from the one-size-fits-all approach to medicine. AI enables doctors to personalize treatments with unprecedented precision. By analyzing genetic information, medical history, and lifestyle factors, AI predicts treatment responses. This minimizes adverse reactions and maximizes success. Personalized medicine promises more effective, safer, and affordable treatments.
Section 5. Ethical Considerations. Navigating the Uncharted Waters. AI in drug discovery raises important ethical considerations. One key concern is potential bias in AI algorithms. Ensuring diverse and representative datasets is crucial to mitigate bias. Another concern is job displacement as AI automates tasks. Policymakers must implement strategies to support workers transitioning to new roles. The use of AI in personalized medicine raises privacy concerns. Robust data security measures and transparent data governance are essential.
Section 6. The Future of Medicine. AI's Transformative Potential. The integration of AI into drug discovery is a seismic shift. We're on the cusp of a healthcare revolution. Imagine a future where new drugs are developed quickly and affordably. Chronic diseases are detected early and managed effectively. Personalized medicine becomes the standard of care. The journey won't be without challenges, but the potential rewards are immense. AI in drug discovery is about creating a healthier, brighter future for all humankind.